Hello everyone, I'm Anna from ZHYAO. Today let me introduce ZHYAO's liquid painting line for your reference. Our liquid painting process is simple but effective, covering 4 key steps: pretreatment, drying oven, liquid painting, natural cooling or curing oven. Our liquid spraying can achieve 360 degrees all around spraying, which can not only improve the efficiency but can also make the excellent surface. Both manual and automatic liquid painting guns are available. The numbers and arrangement of the guns are configured based on the workpiece size, structure, and conveyor chain speed. There are 2 ways of painting recovery method. One is dry type recovery system. The other is water curtain circulation system. The dry type recovery system has a compact structure, making it suitable for limited space. The water curtain system effectively filters VOC and harmful gases, which not only purifies workshop air but also ensures the health of employees. It also has the advantage of easy cleaning, maintenance, and servicing, thus lowering the later operational costs. ZHYAO Painting has 30 years of industry experience with over 2,600 projects and export 60 countries. If you are looking for a highly efficient and reliable liquid painting line, please feel free to contact us at any time. Well, I'm Anna from ZHYAO. That's all for today. See you next time.
ZHYAO, together we color the world.